Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A8 broken screen. So that's pretty a new model and screen is smashed. In order to get this repair, you need few tools. The first thing, you need a spudger. You can buy this cheap online or Amazon or eBay. And then second tool you need is a tweezer. Third tool you need is a star screwdriver, which is most a common one, which you normally use 95% to open screws. Then you need a steel spudger, and steel spudger you need to lift up the battery back case and then front LCD. The next tool you need is adhesive tape, because the screen doesn't have any screws, so it's going to go back through the double-sided adhesive tape. And then this E8000 strong glue. You also need this strong glue, which is E8000, which really helps to stick the screen with the frame. And the next tool you need is either a heat gun machine. If you don't have a heat gun machine, you can use a hair dryer to soften up the adhesive. You also need a Samsung Galaxy A8 screen, LCD screen, which comes with the front and the back panel together, and this screen we will fit. You need to give heat to the edges, because the more adhesive is on the edges, and by giving the more heat to the edges, it will soft the adhesive on the edges, and then even from the middle and the sides, it will then make more soft adhesive, and then it will be easy to peel off. Spudger tool, and when you will use a steel spudger tool, you need to push inside gently. Make sure you do not push so hard, or do not try hard, because then that will damage the battery back case. And then gently you go through the full housing battery back case, and in this way I will slowly gently cut the adhesive. And then on the left hand side, guys, make sure again, do not try to push so hard, or do not try to force, and it will damage. And make sure you do by gently and soft, and that's it. So the battery back case is off. When the battery back case is off, just make sure there is a finger sensor on the back, so if you will try to pull, it might trip off. Now use the Phillips screwdriver to open these 14 screws from the back plate. Now you have to take the memory card tray out by using the SIM opening tool. Just click, and then it will pop out. Or anywhere. Now we need to take these back plates off. So you can use this tool, which is called a sponger. So take that off, and then you need to take the other bit of the plate, and then you need to take the off from the other side. Slowly you will see it's coming off. Always recommend you, from my experience, always disconnect the battery connector. If you have got nails, you can use through the nails, or you can through the spudger, but I normally use my nails. It's up to you if you want to use spudger or if you want to use your nail. The next clip you have to off is a LCD clip. You can see clearly on the board, that's the LCD clip, so we will take the off. Yes guys, so now you can use your sponger to take this plate off, and you can then gently remove, and you will see the motherboard is attached on the bottom. So we have to take first headphone jack connector off, and I will show you clear here. So that's the headphone jack off. Now the next connector, you'll see the That's the front camera, because Samsung Galaxy S9 has got two front cameras, so that's a front camera. You have to take that off. And then all the connectors are off. One more connector, this one probably attached to the volume buttons. So looks like all the connectors are off. Okay guys, make sure before you remove the motherboard there is a black screw which you have to remove, otherwise you can damage the board. You can see there's a black screw. It's a black screw, very small, you cannot sometimes see, but then so you have to open the screw with the same screwdriver. Now you have to take the SIM tray out, which is located on the right hand side of the phone. Remove these two charging port screws with the Phillips screwdriver, and then gently remove the board. That's it, you have removed the motherboard. Okay guys, next step is you have to give a heat to the corners of the screen, so then it will loosen the adhesive. So once this adhesive is softened, you can take the screen off with. So the next thing you have to use a steel spudger, which you have to put inside in the screen. Just try to put with force and just go gently through. If your screen is not broke, then you have to be very gentle and careful. You can use even the card, because if you will be not careful, then it will break the screen. But because my screen is already broke, so I don't care, because I have to change the screen. So I'm going gently through all over the screen. So once you have broke the adhesive, and then make sure the connector is off, which is already off because when we took the board off. So gently what you have to do, just take the screen off from the main frame. Press the power button to just make sure the screen works fine. And yeah, screen looks absolutely working fine. It's just before you attach the screen to the base with the glue, because once it's on, then it will be very difficult for you to take the off. So it's better if you buy a new screen, make sure by connecting on the top it works perfect before you assemble. Yeah, screen looks fine, everything pretty working. Then the next step is to put the screen back with the frame, and first put the flex into the frame and then try to adjust the screen from the top and gently then put the screen down, and you will see it will set properly. That's it, the new screen has been fitted on the frame. So after you have put the screen on the frame, the next step is put the motherboard back so that we can test the screen. So gently put the motherboard from the bottom side and then go through. Make sure no cables, no flexes are on the way, because then it will stuck inside. Once you have took the all connections outside, make sure the no cables is stuck inside, the board will sit. And the next thing is try to clip back headphone jack connector, and then so make sure LCD connector is connected. Then the next one, battery connector. Yeah, click the battery connector, and then the volume button connector, click that one. And now we will put the front camera. So the front camera is going to go back, and then again press here. Attach this black plate back on the phone, and then in the same way all the plates back on the phone. Yes, top one done. Then the last one is the bottom one. The back is attach the finger scanner. That's going to go clip back on the board. Then gently put the back housing, battery back case back, and just press from all the sides. Your phone is not going to be any more water resistant, but if you break the screen, still going to be no water resistance. So that's it. We managed to fix the screen, and as you can see, screen is fully functional. Screen is working. Guys, for watching this video, please like and share, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks again.